Alright, folks, buckle up because it's time to talk about one of Apple's most hyped budget-friendly devices, the iPhone SE 4th generation. According to a fresh report from Barclays, spearheaded by analyst Tom O'Malley, the next-gen SE is locked and loaded for a March 2024 release right at the tail end of Q1. The timing mirrors the March 2022 release of the SE 3rd gen, so Apple seems to be sticking to its spring tradition. Now, here where it gets even juicier. Alongside the iPhone SE 4, Apple is expected to drop some heavy hitters at its spring event, the M4 MacBook Air and the 11th Gen iPad. That a lot of hardware dropping all at once, so March is shaping up to be a big month for the Apple ecosystem. Let's dive into the specs. The iPhone SE 4th Gen is essentially going to be a rebranded iPhone 14, but with some notable tweaks. Display: a 6.1-inch OLED panel replacing the old LCD setup design. Say goodbye to the home button, this one going full Face ID with a smaller notch from the iPhone 13 lineup. Camera: borrowing the 48MP main sensor from the iPhone 14 Pro, which is a massive upgrade for a budget phone. Charging: finally, Apple embracing the EU mandate. Lightning is out, and USB-C is in. On top of that, the SE 4 is rumored to pack 8GB of RAM to handle Apple AI-driven features and, most notably, the A27 Bionic chip, which promises performance miles ahead of what you'll find in similarly priced Chinese smartphones. Here where things get interesting. The SE 4 will be the first iPhone to feature Apple in-house 5G modem, ditching the expensive Qualcomm solution. This move is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it helps Apple keep costs down, hence the projected $499 starting price despite all the upgrades. On the other hand, Apple track record with modems has always been stellar. Intel, so this could be a gamble. The modem performance on the SE 4 will likely set the tone for Apple's broader rollout of their custom 5G modems, slated to ramp up with the iPhone 18 series. With its boosted specs, modern design, and competitive price, the SE 4th Gen could redefine what a budget iPhone means. But will it strike the perfect balance of performance and value? Only time will tell. Let me know your thoughts. Will the SE 4 be your next upgrade, or are you waiting to see how Apple 5G modem plays out? Thanks for watching.